Knives first will be English station. Number five, English station. All right.
Number six.
Number six. All right, Anthony.
For one last time.
Number three.
Number three.
Number one. All right. What's the one, Reggie?
Number eight.
Number eight.
4.
Number four. Park.
6.
7.
Number 11.
11.
10.
10.
Not much.
Number 2. February 26th, 2026, officially is National Pistachio Day. All right, in addition to several different flavored pistachios, we do have pistachio cake mix. We have pistachio pudding, a perennial favorite. And if you're daring, pistachio frosting.
Wow. Yep, sorry about that. I didn't ask how long it would take.
Lower your fire a little bit. Okay, now.
Feedback tasting good. 7 minutes, guys. Oh, longer? Oh, till 2:10. 17 minutes, guys. Don't let me freak you out. 17 minutes.
Oh, we should name the plate that. We should name the. Is that what the name of the dish is gonna be?
Hibachi style.
Yeah.
Smell it.
All right, we got chicken and waffles.
And a fan club.
Thank you.
So you ready for this? Once I pour this thing, there's no covering that.
Will have the balance of the fresh vegetables with the sweetness of the meat.
We're getting my fiance is making us study that.
All right, what we have for you today is one of the, I would say, the most controversial food that we have in the Philippines. It's called chicken adobo. And we utilize the things that we have, the nuts, the chili, and the lime, and the So, without further ado, all right, President Choice Award this year for the 2026 Kentuckiana Division Culinary Olympics goes to Silvercrest. All right. Second and third place. It was real close. Very close. By the skin of their teeth. All right. In third, 2026 bronze winners. Westport, please. Just barely edging out Westport Place. Silver winners are the Legacy at English Station.
Thank you.
Yep, thanks. Thanks, sir.
All right, and finally, first place, gold medal winners for the 2026 Kentuckiana Division Culinary Olympics goes to the Willows.
Picture.